Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and today another tech news video. I don't know if you are getting bored about this video. If it's the case, just let me know it down below in the comment. But if you still like it just a little bit, I will keep doing this video for a little bit because for now I don't have any tech devices to try and show you. So at the moment I have to keep the content going with this video. But anyway, if you are getting bored about this, just let me know it because I will find maybe another good idea to bring it on this channel. So let's start with our first big news today, and we are talking about iPhone 13 or maybe iPhone 12s. Nobody knows the name yet, but if you are interested to iPhone news and you follow the iPhone lineup, you probably have seen already the video of unboxing therapy. He did an unboxing of the iPhone 13 or 12s. We will call it just 13 for now. You probably have seen this video of him unboxing this iPhone 13s, and they are dummies, so they are just not working phones. They usually use those dummies to just begin to produce and just sell the accessories for the next phones. And so they have these dummies and sometimes they leak, and so we know about the next iPhones or maybe another phones form factor and all the stuff. So now we have some more news from Twitter and from a guy named Sonny Dixon. I don't know him, I don't know if it's trusted, but we have an images that shows pretty much all the iPhone lineup. So all the new iPhone lineup, and it is pretty interesting because you already can see that the main differences between the iPhone 12 and this one, it is the camera on the back, because we have different layout for different phones. Actually, this is the first difference that you can already see in the back of these phones. And actually you can see that probably the main sensor and also probably the ultra wide sensor, it is a little bit bigger than the last year model. And so this means that the new iPhone will probably have new sensor, so a bigger sensor. This is a great thing because a great sensor should result in great images. So we will see that. And actually, as I was saying before, you can see that on the mini and on the 13, the standard one, you can see that the cameras are just moved in the back. So they are very different from the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12. Other than that, we know that these iPhones will be just a little bit thicker than the previous one. Remember that these are not official information, so these are all rumors, so just keep that in mind because they could be not true. And other two information that we have, and I think that we hope we will have on the next iPhones, is that we should have a smaller notch on the front of the screen. This will be a great thing in my opinion, and it does give a modern look to the phone, because if you compare the top Android phone in the front with the iPhone, and the Android phone looks like from a new era compared to the iPhone. I'm hoping for that, and also I'm hoping that they will add finally 120 Hz screen, because this year we had the AMOLED display, so the next year we could have the 120 Hz display. That should be a great update. And actually they say because the new iPhones are thicker, they should have like a little bit bigger battery. So this is also a great thing because battery life is one of the important things that you can find on a phone. Then on this video, I wanted to talk about some laptop news, but unfortunately now the laptop world, at least in my country, it is pretty much stopped because you cannot find pretty much any laptop to buy on Amazon or any other websites. So I do want to try the new Razer Blade 14 because I like the 14 inches form factor. And also I think it is one of the most powerful laptop on the market right now, because you can find it with the best of the best CPU by AMD, so the Ryzen 9, and it is very, very powerful. And of course you have 16 and above gigabytes of RAM, and also you got the RTX 3080 that is for now the best of the GPUs on the laptops. And this was just a side note on this video because I am very interested in laptops, but as I said, I couldn't find any on any shops. So for now, it is just a dream. And when I will get one of those, you will for sure see the video on this channel. So if you don't want to miss that occasion, of course, just subscribe right now. But anyway, let's keep talking about some news. And we have some other news about Android 12. And as you probably already saw, most of the famous YouTubers already made a video on Android 12. I don't have a Pixel device to install Android 12, so I cannot try it. But as soon as I can try on any Android device that I have, I will bring it on the channel for sure. And now we have a new beta version for Android 12, and I will leave maybe the link below in the description, or maybe on the screen I will leave some information about this new beta release. And as I was saying before, as you already saw, Android 12 will be a nice reskin of Android, probably the best looking one on Android. And I am very curious to test it because I like Android stock a lot. So I'm hoping they will release just an open beta, maybe to other Android devices, or maybe they will release the final product. But for now, we don't have a date. We just know that they are just keep updating this Android 12. You can see some of the latest patch notes right here on the screen. And unfortunately, as I said before, you can test it only on Pixel phones. And actually, if you have only a newer version of a Pixel phone, of course. So with this beta, we are in beta 2. And Google says that they need 2 more beta phases. So we have to wait for beta 3 and beta 4. And then they can release the stable version of Android 12. So I'm not gonna cover any aspect of the Android 12, of course, because you can see already, or maybe you have already seen a lot of videos of Android 12, but I'm gonna just say that they will just focus more on privacy. And this is a good thing because Android is just lacking some privacy feature on their devices right now. So they are focusing on that. And this is a good thing because the more and more the software grow up, the privacy should grow up with the software. And that's very good. And also they will reskin Android, as I said before. There will be like a lot of exterior changes. We have a lot of new designs, and some of that will come only for Pixel, they said. I don't know if this is official, but I'm hoping that they will release all this cool design for all the phones actually. And also they say that this Android 12 will be the best Android for now. It is the most optimized since ever. I mean, this is a good thing. It's of course a newer version, so we hope it is the best one yet. But anyway, we have to wait and test it by ourselves. This is the only way to see if it's good or maybe not. So I think for this video, that's it. These were just some quick news. I hope you found it useful. And if you have some topic to suggest, just type it down below in the comments, because you may probably know that I'm reading all the comments and I'm trying to reply to pretty much anybody down there. So if you have some suggestion, some tips, just type it down below in the comments. I will be happy to read it. Also, if you like this video, just hit a thumbs up down below because it's free. And of course, if you haven't subscribed already, just consider doing it right now because it will help this channel to grow, and I will be very happy about that. And I think for now that's it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.